G'day guys, Burn Dog here from Burn Dog's Garage. Today we're going to be having a look at the seats of our Mark 1 P5 Rover. I'm Burn Dog from Burn Dog's Garage. So this is the front seat of our Rover P5. Definitely there is areas of really bad damage around the armrest here. So that sort of tells me that that is leather with how it's gone. These sections here, it's really dry across through the top here and quite stiff, but then the bottom sections of it is really quite well done. So I don't know whether these seats have been reupholstered at some stage and this could be vinyl. I don't know. Up here it definitely feels like leather. We've got nothing to lose today, so what I'm just going to do is give it a rub with some Neatfoots Oil. And hopefully it will make it a bit more supple. It's definitely soaked in the oil straight away. So what I'm hoping to achieve, if I can get some more life back into this fabric and get it nice and supple, hoping to be able to save this seat, even if we have to get some dye onto it and dye it at some stage. Obviously I'm not going to do anything here, this is beyond saving, and if we can reupholster the bad sections and keep the rest, would be good. I just don't see the point in redoing the whole lot if it doesn't need it. So I shall now continue rubbing Neatfoots Oil into the whole seat. I don't believe that you really need to see me do it all. It's just rubbing oil into a piece of leather. So I'll continue to do that, and I will do the back seat off camera. This will need several, if it is leather and soaks in nicely, it's going to need several coats over time. So I might leave it there for today and we can touch base in a couple of weeks' time and see how they're coming along. Cheers. So we've had a look at the seats. We've found that they are a mixture of vinyl and leather where people have upgraded them over time. Not really happy with what's here anyway, so it looks like I've got a date with a sewing machine. We've had a look at the prices of getting the seats done and not what I was intending on spending. Looking at some of the Facebook upholstery groups and they all go, nah, easy to do, you'll be able to do it. They're simple seats. I haven't sewn since high school. I did go to a tech school and did sew, so that is a bonus for me, and the Facebook groups that are very supportive saying I'll have no troubles at all. I've got myself a sewing machine and I've been practicing away, so let's see how it goes. I can only then have to pay someone to fix my mistakes, so let's give it a go and come along on the journey. Cheers.